Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Are you in the mood for a simple, healthy, and delicious side dish? Look no further than these honey roasted carrots. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of the carrots, while also adding a slight char and crispy texture. These roasted carrots are perfect for a family dinner, or as a side dish for a special occasion, or if you love veggies as much as I do, they could even be the star of the show. So fire up your oven and get ready to make some amazing honey roasted carrots. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now to get started, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you will need to clean and scrub your carrots. Alternatively, you could just peel your carrots. After you finish that, line a sheet pan with foil and spray with oil or a baking spray. Now place the clean carrots on the greased foil baking sheet. Next, in a small bowl, combine honey, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, thyme, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Mix until everything is emulsified. Pour the mixture over the carrots, then turn out the edges of the foil so that the dressing pools under the carrots, instead of spreading to the edges of the pan. Additionally, make sure your carrots are no more than an inch in diameter at their thickest point. If your carrots are of varying thicknesses, then remove the thinner ones whenever they're done cooking, and place them on the serving platter before you put the rest back in the oven. Now roast the carrots for around 25 to 40 minutes, or until fork tender. Place the carrots on a serving platter and let the dressing left in the pan cool and thicken for a minute or so before drizzling over the carrots. Serve warm and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.